You know what? He was not only an actor, he was an institution. Once Ranveer Singh had said, his eyes deserve to win an Oscar, but I say his smile deserved to win every filmy award given on this planet. You know what? He was a person who didn't keep his surname Khan because he wanted to be recognized or remembered with his gifted works, not by his any lineage or any ancestral connection. In fact, he was an actor whose interests were different, atypical. He wanted to witness northern lights in Norway. He wanted to spend his quiet hours in deep forest. He wanted to attend Kumbh Mela, which occurs in India in every 10 to 12 years. But sorry, Irfan, you couldn't make it. You couldn't make it. One more interesting thing about him: since his childhood, he didn't like to eat meat, for which his father used to tell him that he was like a Hindu Brahmin kid who was wrongly born in a Muslim's family. When he was a child, if someone really loved him, then it was her maternal granny or his nanny who really saved him and bore all his childhood bullheadedness or stubbornness. You know what? He was an excellent cricketer. He loved to fly kites. He loved to learn and act at Rabindra Manch, Jaipur. Later, he decided to pursue his film education at National School of Drama, Delhi. For that, he had to lie hundreds to his mom. And then he decided to start his filmy career in Bombay. But his mom was really, not interested for that because she believed it was like a Maya Nagri which would steal his son away from her. You know what? In his early days in Bombay, he took up a job as an air conditioner repairman and even visited Rajesh Khanna's home to do the same. And he was greatly influenced and inspired by Mr. Rajesh Khanna. We all know that he made his film debut with a small role offered in Salaam Bombay. But his last movie, English Medium, really gave him a big salam from the entire Bollywood fraternity. And ultimately, he won Best Filmfare Actor Award in 2021. He won lots of awards in his film career. In 2004, he won the Best Performance in Negative Role at Filmfare for the movie called Hasil. He won Best Filmfare Supporting Role as an actor for the movie called Life in a Metro. He bagged National Award for Pan Singh Tomar movie. He got Asian Film Award for Best Actor category for his movie called The Lunchbox. He got 2 Best Actors Award for Hindi medium and English medium movies at Filmfare. He got Padma Shri in 2011 and he got Lifetime Achievement Award for his contribution to cinema posthumously in 2021. अगर वो आज जिंदा होते तो फिर और कुछ अच्छे सिनेमा देखकर यहाँ से जाते। जाने से पहले कुछ लाइंस उनके लिए। आपका फिल्मी कैरियर था सबसे अलग और प्यारा, पसंद आया कलाकारी आपका हमें, जब बने आप फिल्मी पर्दों पे मर्दानी फिल्म का निर्मल कुमार या हिंदी मीडियम का राज बत्रा। अच्छा बाप बनने के लिए क्या कुछ करना पड़ता है और क्या कुछ सहना पड़ता है, ये हम इंग्लिश मीडियम पिक्चर से अच्छे से सीखे। गुंडे, जज्बा, तलवार, स्लमडग मिलेनियर, रोग, द बाईपास, बड़े दिन आदि अनेकों मूवी में पुलिस का किरदार निभाते निभाते इतने सीरियस एक्टर आप यूं ही बन गए। श्रीकांत, भारत एक खोज, चाणक्य, द ग्रेट मराठा से MTV रोडी 7 तक आपका छोटा पर्दों के ऊपर सफर कठिन था लेकिन अनोखा था। लाइफ ऑफ पाई, द नेमसेक, द अमेजिंग स्पाइडरमैन जैसे हॉलीवुड मूवीज में आपका रोल छोटा था, लेकिन जैसे कर लिया एक्टिंग आपने, उन पिक्चरों में सबके दिलों में फेविक्विक जैसे चिपक के रह गया था। कितना दुख लगता था हमें जब पढ़ते थे हम आपके वो कुछ फाइनल ट्वीट। उम्मीद था कि आप फिर से वापस आएंगे हमारे लिए, करके वो कैंसर वाली बीमारी को पीट। लेकिन नहीं आए ना आप। सच बताऊं, मेरे दिल में क्या चलता है आपके लिए वो याद है आपने क्या बोले थे इस मूवी में? थोड़ा आप खुद ही देख लीजिए।
क्या सर, जाने दिया आपने?
अबे मोहब्बत है इसलिए तो जाने दिया। जिद होती तो बाहों में होती।
मेरे दिल में आपके लिए क्या चलता है पता है? तकलीफ था इसलिए भगवान ने आपको जाने दिया। तकलीफ था इसलिए भगवान ने आपको जाने दिया। जिद होती तो उस तकलीफ में आप और एक दो मूवी करके हमें आपको और प्यार करने में मजबूर कर लेते। रेस्ट इन पीस इरफान सर, लव यू।